welcome back guys. We are playing Minecraft Bed Wars Bedrock Edition. If you like this video's content, please like and subscribe. Now let's play Bed Wars. I got the cool skin, guys. You can see I got a cool skin for me. Okay. So now I'm not a girl again in this. I'm not a girl again. Finally. I mean 4 players, not 2 players, bro. We are only the 2 here, bro. Hell no. We are only 2 here, bro. Now let's fight when the fight is over. Let's fight them again. We're gonna fight them. We're gonna fight them. Wee. Wee ballad. He died, I died. And you? And my cat is here. My cat is in my shoulder right now. He's super cute. But he's literally so cute that he wants to get down. Okay, you can get down. Ooh, some of them is getting out. Bro, defend the base, brother. Let me just kill a lot of players. Thank you for the gold. Bro, I'm safe here, bro. No, I can literally aura farm. Bro, stop it, bro. I'm aura farming, man. Nah, bro. Aura farm doesn't need aura. And yeah, guys, GG's. Bro, that's a lead game. Another one, bro. I only have 2 teammates. What the hell I'm gonna do there, bro? 16, please. Yes! And look at that. This is my cool skin. Yeah, shout out to my collaborator, man. I'm just gonna add him here. We're not playing right now because... Oh my god, why are you here, man? You need to... What the? Finny Goose? Who's Finny Goose, man? You're not Finny Goose. You're a Killy Goose. Hell no. I know what he's gonna say because I know he's gonna get message. Some of my teammates are gonna defend the bed. So where is my teammate? Oh hell yeah, where's my teammate? Oh yeah, bro, build, bro, build. Build, bro, build! Oh my god. Oh my god. You can jump it and you're just wasting all the blocks, man. God, man. Oh my god, bro, don't defend the bed. We don't have enough money. Like, my teammates are not good. Oh yeah, my teammates not good, bro. Because they cannot even speed bridge. Bro, these are level 1s and level 4s, bro. Oh my god! No one told me. I think I'm just gonna be stupid enough to these guys, bro. Yeah, bro, I need a sword. Oh my god, bro. We're literally getting invaded right now. You invaders. You thought. Oh my god, bro. Let's attack the stinky goose. I challenge you. Man! Why? My teammates are such... Oh my god, bro, he's such a sweat, bro. OMG, bro. This guy is not pro. My teammates are not pro. Because are breaking my teammate of that, some of sort. Oh my god, bro. My teammate sucks. Do you know that? Yeah, bro. I surrender. Oh god, give me good teammates, man. I always lose. I don't like level 6. I want level 23, bro. Wait a minute. I want to go down there. Let's go. Give me more. Give me money. Give me money. Give me money. Give me money. Double chicken like me. Let's go. First things first, I'm gonna get the speed bridging. So where's the Gemini? So where is the diamond? I don't know where's diamond at, bro. Oh, there's diamond. So right over here. Let's go one first. Run. Run, there you go. There you go, bro. Oh my god, bro. Already green team is there? You know, bro. I'm gonna get all the stuff I need. I need armor, I need something. I need a lot of stuff. I'm gonna be just not sweating. Oh my god. My teammates is such. Oh yeah, bro. Hey, bro. Hi, bro. Wanna fight? Fight! Spider! How did he combo me, man? I lost all my stuff, man. And my god, he's spending all for himself. That's so much. I'm gonna go to the middle. Firstly, let's go to the middle. Yeah, bro. We're just gonna make it. There you go. Give me more money. There you go. Give me 4 emeralds and I'm good. 2 emeralds. Oh my god, they are been gripping. Give me more for myself. There we go. So let's go back to the spawn area. 1, 2. There you go, bro. This is most efficient village, bro. Oh my god, I almost fell. Oh my god! Bro, that's a emote? Oh my god, bro, we defeated that giant, you don't emote? I'm gonna get my iron armor, bro. Sayonara. Oh my god. Bro, we got ambushed. Oh my god, bro, you're gonna get ambushed too, bro. Nice one, brother, nice one. So now I only need to do something that's never been done. To hide under the... Oh my god, bro. I need to hide under something. We can hide myself. Right over there. I'm not gonna break somebody's bed. I'm just gonna stay right over here. Would I like to know? See, this is it. There we go. I think we can go now here, bro. Finish the blocks, bro. There you go. We're not gonna see the light again. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be getting another part 2 guys.